Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by quickly gathering the essentials. Check real-time power draw with a smart plug or system monitor and note baseline watts. Close the biggest offenders, browser tabs, cloud sync, virtualization, so the load drops immediately. Once done, switch the power profile from high performance to balanced or power saver to reduce CPU frequency and GPU boost. Make sure to disconnect unnecessary USB devices and external drives. They draw power even idle. These first actions drop consumption fast and set you up for deeper fixes. Next, you diagnose which components keep pulling energy. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and sort by CPU and GPU usage to target top consumers, terminate or throttle them. Update device drivers, BIOS/UEFI, and the OS so firmware power bugs are fixed and vendor power profiles are available. Adjust system settings, reduce display brightness, shorten sleep and disk timeout, and disable unneeded wake timers. Once done, validate savings in the power monitor and iterate. Small driver and timeout changes often finish by applying final tuning. Enable core parking or set CPU max at a lower percent, cap GPU power in vendor tools, and restrict background app refresh. Run a quick malware and antivirus scan to catch stealthy miners or runaway services, and disable suspicious startup items that reappear after reboot. Once complete, monitor for 24 hours to confirm stable lower draw. If power usage suddenly spikes, revert the most recent driver or application change first. That step often resolves unexpected regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.